Let's take a deep breath in and relax. Let's take another deep breath in and relax. Let's relax ourselves completely. And now let us chant Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Today, let us breathe in abundance and let it expand in each and every cell of our being. Let us inhale gratitude and expand it in each and every being. And now, imagine that we are a channel for God's love. Let us inhale the love and imagine we are a channel of God's love. Whenever there is disrespect or who is right or all of that, may be we the channel of love. Wherever love needs to be there, may I be the one who is spreading the love. Wherever the love is lost, make me the channel of love, dearest God. In everything I do, be or have, make me your love, a channel of your love. At work, in relations, for my energy, for my actions. Make me a channel of pure love, whatever I do with full love, and see the magic. Let us inhale the love. And thank you so much, God. May I be the channel of love everywhere. Thank you so much, God, for making me a channel of your peace. Wherever I go, people can heal at my presence and not get disappointed at my presence. Make me so much full of divine energies that as my presence only heals people. As I accept people more and more, as I am a channel of your love, make people. May I bring peace to people and heal people. Thank you, Lord, for making me a channel of your love, your peace. Make me a channel of your abundance. Wherever I go, let abundance flow through me. Thank you so much, God, for filling me with abundance so that I can be that channel of abundance, of hope for people, trusting that everything will happen. All the abundance is already there in us. We just need to believe and tap into the right energy. Thank you so much, God, for making me the channel of your love, your peace, your abundance. And thank you so much for making me a channel of your gratitude. Wherever there is disrespect or hatred or worry or tension or overthinking, let me be the channel of seeing the goodness in every situation, in every people, in everything, in myself. Thank you so much, God, for making me a channel of your divine energies, of being thankful wherever there is tension, worry, disrespect. I am being thankful, focusing on what is the blessings I have, what is working out for me. Wherever there is disrespect or worry or hatred, let me be the channel of your love. Let me be the channel of your hope. Let me be the channel of your peace. Thank you so much, God, for filling me with divine energies every single day. And when I have so much of positivity, there is no negativity. The positivity is so much in power, full of positivity. My cup is so full of positivity that there is no energy given to the negativity. And as I keep on expanding that, there will be no place for thinking negative. Worry, stress, overthinking, all that will take no place in my heart. And now let us sit quietly and think of all our blessings. Thank you so much, God, for the beautiful mind you have given us. The beautiful mind which we can train it and focus on the goodness of life, of the blessings you have given us. Instead of focusing on the lack or on what we don't have, let us focus on the things, everything we have. Count so many blessings that we have no time to think what we don't have. Thank you so much, God, for the gift of the health which is making me alive every single day, for such a beautiful body inside out, for a beautiful mind. Thank you so much, God, for the beautiful mind. Whatever I train, it is being trained and it focuses on the positive thoughts, thoughts of love, of being thankful, of seeing the goodness in people, in situations, in our food, in our water, in the blessings of everything, in nature, in our health, in our wealth, in our career. Each and every time we focus on the goodness, and the goodness comes back to us. Thank you so much, God, for this beautiful mind which releases dopamine, oxytocin, all the happy hormones, and I don't need any medicine, because gratitude itself in the morning, this is like a vaccine, like antiseptic, like antioxidant. This is the true medicine which our body, our mind, it releases those hormones which are needed to balance the perfect chakras in our body and to balance the hormones perfectly. Thank you so much, God, for training my mind every day to beautify it, to seeing the goodness always, and to releasing these hormones. Thank you so much, my mind. Thank you so much, my brains. Thank you so much, God, for this wonderful factory you have given me every single day, which does things so beautifully. And for all the chakras in my body, which is balanced every morning as I do my meditation practices. Thank you so much, chakras, for being in balance. And let us imagine that all the chakras, right from above our head to below, all are in balanced. They all are in perfect shape, color. They all are well balanced. And they all are smiling at us, saying, "Thank you, I love you," and you are smiling at them. They are your babies, they are our babies. And just like we take care of our babies, we shall take care of you, dear chakras. You are like my babies. I love you so much. Thank you so much for doing continuously, running continuously, functioning continuously to maintain the perfect health and the gift of my life. Thank you so much, chakras. I love you so much. Thank you for always taking care of me throughout my life. I love you, dear chakras. I am there for you and always be smiling. And I shall always be smiling at you. Thank you so much. You have given me more than anything else. You have given me much more. Thank you so much, dear chakras. Thank you so much, dear eyes. You have given me the perfect vision. Since childhood, I can see each and everything so beautifully. And thank you for always focusing on the beauty of the things of God's creation. Thank you so much for focusing always on the beauty. Thank you so much, dear hair, for being so beautiful and growing every single day. So beautiful, so straight and black. Thank you so much, ears, for listening to every single thing deeply and only receiving what is good and rejecting whatever is not to be received. Thank you so much, ears. Thank you so much, dear nose, for breathing in every single second, millisecond, for functioning in the most beautiful way. I love you so much. Thank you so much, dear lungs, for taking in the oxygen and giving it to each and every cell in the body. Thank you so much, my mouth, for the beautiful words which come out of you. I am work in progress and trying that whatever comes out of my mouth be inspiring and uplifting instead of demeaning the person, instead of disrespecting the other person or myself. Let my words be full of the pearls of wisdom or pearls of inspiration and upliftment and music to the other person's ears. Because I'm done with all the rudeness and all the bad behavior. It doesn't serve anybody. Thank you so much, God, for making and believe in myself. Thank you so much, God, for the beauty of my head, of my skin, of my cheeks, my forehead. Thank you so much, God, for the beauty of my neck, which rotates anywhere I can with so much of ease and grace. Thank you so much, neck, for supporting me throughout. For the back, for the shoulders, thank you so much for supporting me and keeping me straight always. Thank you so much, dearest God, for the lovely heart I have, which loves even more every single day. I love you, and I know you love me too. And when we love each other, we keep on expanding our heart every day more and more so that we become the magnet of miracles. Thank you so much, dearest heart. When my heart intelligence expands, I become unstoppable. Thank you so much, my dear kidneys, liver, pancreas. You are so amazing. Thank you so much for your support each and every day, for doing the work perfectly each and every day. Thank you so much, dearest God. Thank you so much, my stomach, my intestine, my digestive systems, small and big. Thank you so much for easily digesting all kinds of food I eat. Thank you so much for the excretory organs, for excreting it gracefully every single day. Thank you so much, God, for this wonderful machine in the body. The lovely babies I have, which does the work so perfectly, beautifully. Everything early in the morning, it is out gracefully. Thank you so much, God. And for the hips, for the knees, for the thighs, for the toes, legs, which supports me beautifully every single day, takes me anywhere. For the hand, does so much of work every single day for myself and others, which contributes so much for my life and people's life. Thank you so much. It creates wonderful things every single day. My hands are my magic, which creates amazing things to the world and for myself. Thank you so much, dearest God, for these lovely beauties. My body is so full of abundance, of beautiful things. Thank you so much, God. And now, let us open our arms and declare to the universe Let us think of some happy moment and imagine in that moment how we were feeling so happy, so loved. And in that moment, let our heart expand so much, so much, so much. And now that we have so much of big heart and a crown chakra also opens up, let us bless everyone on planet Earth, every single creature, living things, non-living things, every single one on planet Earth, let us bless. Thank you so much, God, for blessing each and every one with your loving energies, divine energies of love, peace, gratitude, abundance. And now imagine you're being that person, having the things you wanted to, and doing the things you always doing, and you are having so much of abundance. As we are contributing to the world, abundance is coming, flowing to us in the most beautiful ways. Imagine we have achieved all our goals as we keep on taking the actions. And now let us open our arms and say to the universe, I love myself. I'm a massive action taker. I take action with speed because money loves speed. Money floods to my bank account every single day. Wow, I'm an ocean. I'm a channel of God's love, God's peace, kindness, abundance. Wherever I go, abundance flows. Yes, I'm the richest person in the world. I have the most sexy body on planet Earth. I have the most healthy body. Wow. I have the most beautiful relations with myself and everyone else. I'm growing every single day with my beautiful energies. I love myself. Wow, I'm super amazing. I appreciate myself and others. I see only the goodness in myself and others in every situation. Yes, I am worthy. Yes, I am super amazing. Yes. Wow. Thank you so much, God. Let us bless everyone and ourselves today. Thank you so much for joining. God bless you all. Thank you. Have a great day.